guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. So if you follow me on social media, you will know that I recently did a photo shoot for my modeling portfolio with curly big hair. Some of you were asking how to get my hair that big and with that much volume. And today I'm going to show you guys how exactly I did my hair that day. Also, shout out to the photographer Jessie. Follow her on Instagram. She is awesome. Her pictures were great. I loved it. She also helped me with my hair. She did most of it. So shout out to you, girl. If you don't know what pictures I'm talking about, I'm just gonna put some of them right now on the screen. But pretty much I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it myself and how I curl my hair. Pretty much every day I've been curling it, and I love curling my hair now, especially in the warmer weather. So if you're interested in learning how to get your hair big and curly, then keep watching this video. Alright, so the first thing that I do is that I wash my hair. I use this Amika hair care shampoo. It smells so good, guys. You should definitely try it. I just wash my hair with that, and I love to sing in the shower because why not? And I love to play music when I shower. So yeah, now on to the next step. I put conditioner on my hair. This is also from Amika, and it leaves my hair so soft. I love it. It leaves my hair smelling great. I just apply some of that, and then I try to detangle a little bit of my hair, maybe mostly like my ends, and then I use this Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner, which I absolutely love. I actually put a lot of this on my hair, and it's because I just love it. I love how it leaves my hair super soft, and it's a leave-in conditioner, so don't worry, you can leave some of it in your hair, and I think that's actually going to help a lot with your curls and bring out the curls a little bit more. And there I'm just combing my hair, kind of taking out any knots that I have. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna do my makeup, and in the meanwhile I just have my hair up in my towel to let it dry a little bit, you know, take out a little bit of the water because it's very wet right now. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now, and I'm just gonna let this dry. So yeah, now that my hair is a little bit more dry, I'm gonna take off my towel, and I'm gonna use this moisturizing cream from the brand Cantu, and I'm just going to apply that all over my hair. As you can see, I put a lot in my hair because this helps so much with defining my curls. Now I use this other curling spray from the same brand, and I just spray that all over my hair, and as I spray it I also scrunch my hair a little bit just to, you know, give it a little bit of volume. Then I go in with my diffuser, and diffusing your hair helps a lot with volume, and also your hair gets dry way quicker. Like way quicker. So I do that in like 5 to 10 minutes, and here is my hair once it is pretty much all dry, or like mostly dry. As you can see, pretty big, pretty poofy, big, crazy hair. Now I'm gonna go in with this texturizing spray from Amika. I love Amika. They seriously have really good products. I love them. But pretty much I'm just putting some of this on my hair to give it more volume, and I'm gonna just section my hair into two, like a top part and then the bottom part. And I'm gonna go in with my curling wand, guys, because this is the little trick. I'm just going to curl some curls that don't look too defined or that look maybe a little bit frizzy. I'm just gonna go in with my curling wand and fix it. I don't do this with like all my hair because that might take me quite a minute. But I just curl some pieces of my hair just to make my curls look nicer. And yeah, that helps so much with the final look. Now I spray more of the texturizing spray to give it more volume, because like I mentioned, I love volume, and that's what we're looking for. At least that's what I'm looking for. I also flip my hair to give it a little bit more of volume, and to give it even more volume because like I mentioned, I love volume, and that's what I'm looking for. So I'm just teasing my hair a little bit, and then here is the final look. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys like my crazy lion hair. It's very, very crazy, but I was born with it and I'm gonna embrace my curls. If you have curly hair, embrace your curls. If you have straight hair, embrace your straight hair. Every type of hair is beautiful. So just embrace your hair, and you just never know like who's gonna like your hair. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. The products that I use are freaking amazing. Amika, mwah, I love you guys. I worked with you guys before at QVC, and your products are amazing. I love Amika products, and also Cantu for curly hair. You need to try it. It's amazing. So bye guys, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye bye.